All right, boys and girls, once you have your assignment, your animation completed, with however many slides I told you in person that I want you to have, you can play it with a little triangle on the top bar and check it out. And I really am happy with mine. So I am going to go back to the gallery view. So if you look in the top left corner, there's a little caret, a back caret, and that says gallery then after it. So I'm going to tap on that, and my animation is this very first one on the very top left corner. So I'm going to hit that arrow in the box that's pointing upward, and I'm going to hit share. And from these options, I'm going to select video. And then I'm going to select the one on the farthest to the left. That's what you should do too. That's always the smallest one. So we don't need a big file size. So you're going to hit save video from here. And if it asks you if you're allowed to save it, you can allow it, give it full access. You're totally allowed because this is a class assignment. And if I look here in my photo library, so I just went into like where the rainbow flower is, the very last one, if I tap on it, is my name. Now, notice that it played one time and it stopped. So at this point, it's still a video file. So, the thing with a video file is that you have to hit play and then it just runs through one time and stops. Whereas a GIF, we know plays automatically and loops on its own forever and ever and ever. And if you look at the bottom of this video file, you'll see a time too. It says that it's 1 second long. And so a GIF doesn't have that. A GIF, the time is not there because it's a different type of file. So we know it's still a video file. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sign into Canva. And so let me just start that new so that I can show you how to do that. So I would actually go to google.com first. So I'm in Safari. I'm at google.com. If you look up at the search bar, it's up there. And I'm going to type in the word Canva. And there it is on the left-hand side. You can see it says Canva Visual Suite for everyone. Now I'm already logged in. You guys should hit, you don't have to hit sign up. You can tap log in and use your Norwin Google information to get into this. You already have an account created for you. So it's your last name first name at norwinsd.org and your password, and it might automatically be in there for you. I hope that it is. And so once you're on this page, we are going to be searching in Canva. So if you notice, there's like a blue rectangle, and then inside of that, there's a white rectangle, and it says search your content or canvas. So I'm going to tap in there, and I'm going to see where my cursor is flashing, and I'm going to type in the word video, and I'm going to hit return, and it's looking up all different kinds of video templates. So if I scroll down here just a little to all these templates, like, wow, there's some really fancy things. We just want a blank one. So the very first one in the upper left-hand corner is just a blank rectangle, and there's a plus sign in the middle. That's the one that I want. So I'm going to tap on that. And here it is. I'm in my blank video template, okay? So what we have to do now is we have to bring your video from your photos into Canva. So I'm going to tap on uploads. I want you to look on the left-hand side of the screen. There is a dark column. It has like design, elements, text, brand, uploads. I'm going to tap on uploads, and then I'm going to tap on upload files, that purple rectangle, and then the word photo library. And the very last one in there, or I'm sorry, the very first one should be your animation. So I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to hit add. And it's going to start uploading my video that I want to use. And there it is. It finished uploading. So I'm just going to tap on it, and it just automatically pops over into my design space, which is so nice. And I can hit play on it, and you can see there it is. Notice that the rectangle, though, is larger than my video is. So I can make it bigger. I can kind of move it up and expand the size of it. And now it's in here, but it's still a video. So what we want to do is we want to save it as a GIF. So So here are the steps for that. So once you have this in here, you're going to, in the upper right-hand corner, tap that white rectangle that says share. Now this box pops up, and if you look down near the bottom, one of the options is download. So underneath that purple rectangle where it says copy link, then there's 4 circles, and then right underneath that it says download. I'm gonna tap download, and notice it says it's file type MP4 video. Well, we already have the video, so we don't want that. So I'm gonna tap on the little caret next to video and find GIF. So there's JPEG, PNG, PDF, all these options. The very last one is GIF. So I'm gonna tap on GIF, and then I'm gonna tap download. And sometimes you have to wait a second for it to download, depending if you have a lot of frames in your animation. If it's a little bit longer, it's gonna take longer to download, and that's fine. And then this will pop up, and you are gonna hit download. Now there's 2 ways to get to your file once it's downloaded. It doesn't go into your photo library, unfortunately, which would be very handy, but one way you can find it is if you look at that very top search bar where it says canva.com way at the top of your screen in that gray search bar, there's that arrow that's like going in a circle, but then beside that there's a down arrow in a circle. If I tap on that down arrow, those are my downloads. Untitled Design 3, I believe, the most recent one, the one that's on top, I believe that that's what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna tap on it and check it out. There it is. There is my GIF, right? And notice it's playing on its own. It's looping automatically. And this is so cool. So I want to make sure that I save it into my photo library so that I can easily access it. And then I'm going to tap on that square with the up arrow. And then I'm going to hit save image because now it's an image file. And then I'm going to pop back over into my photo library. And now there's a new box at the end. So we can see there's the video that has the time. And then the most recent one is my GIF. And there it is, it's saved in there. So do your best trying to get this. I know it's a lot of steps, but you guys got this.